Hi everyone, welcome back to the Aeon Laser USA YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to set up your Smart Rotary on a NOVA. You will need a Smart Rotary, the USB stick attached to your ignition key, a 2.5mm Allen key, a cabinet key, your laser safety glasses, a Phillips head screwdriver, and tweezers or something similar. Begin by opening your machine's lid. Using your cabinet key, unlock the front panel and carefully open it. Then, with a buddy, carefully remove the honeycomb. Now it's time to turn on your machine. Next, you'll need to press and hold the Z down button on the keypad until the laser bed fully lowers. Place the Smart Rotary in the middle of the laser bed, ensuring the rotary motor is on the right side of the machine closest to the keypad. With the Smart Rotary unplugged, manually spin the rollers until the set screws on all the wheels are facing up. Then, using a 2.5mm Allen key, loosen the set screws on all 4 wheels, careful not to remove the set screws. Next, you will need to determine how many wheels your product needs. In this video, we will be using the 0-wheel Smart Rotary settings. Now, you will need to position the mouth of the tumbler directly onto the metal bars and against the sides of the 2 furthest wheels to prevent any shifting. Adjust the remaining 2 wheels underneath the opposite end until the desired engravable area is level. Once all 4 wheels are in position, using a 2.5mm Allen key, tighten both set screws on all 4 wheels. Careful, do not over-tighten. Now you will need to locate the emergency stop side of your machine, where the drivers are located. Using a cabinet key, remove the large side panel. Locate the XY driver mounting screws. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, slightly loosen the bottom screw and fully remove the top screw. Set the removed screw aside in a safe place. Then grab the driver and carefully pull up and out towards you to remove it. Locate the dip switches on the bottom of the driver. Switches 1, 5, 7, and 10 should be switched on when working within flat parameters. Using your tweezers or something similar, flip switch 6 on for rotary use. Then remount the driver as it was previously, and there's no need to secure the screws back in at this time. Plug your USB that is attached to your ignition key into your computer. Open Lightburn to load your rotary settings. In Lightburn, ensure your device profile is correct to your machine. Then navigate to Edit in the top left toolbar. In the drop-down, select Machine Settings. Click Load from File. Locate USB, double-click the Settings folder, then double-click the Rotary Settings folder. Then, double-click your desired machine rotary settings and click Write. Controller settings written successfully will appear. Then, click Read. Scroll down slightly to ensure the rotary enable is toggled to be true. Now it's time to import your file into the artboard. Ensure the top of the file is rotated toward the direction the mouth of the cup is facing. For this guide, the mouth of the cup will be facing left, so we will rotate our design 270 degrees. Next, double check your settings. Ensure Air Assist is turned off and Fill All Shapes at Once is bubbled in. Then send your file to your laser. Back to your machine, plug the rotary into the rotary port found at the front right-hand corner inside the machine. Once the rotary is plugged into the machine, the up and down arrow keys will now control the rollers. Carefully push or pull the gantry over the rotary by hand, so that the red dot is just hitting the edge of the rotary. Route any excess cable so that it is clear from the rollers, gantry, and laser head. Ensure the cable will not get pinched between the bed and the front cross support bar. To align the Smart Rotary to the gantry, the front edge of the silver baseplate can be used as a visual aid. Using the left and right arrow keys, jog the laser head to the far left of the rotary and line it up with the front edge so that it is perfectly underneath the red dot. Jog the laser head to the far right side. Watch to see if the red dot travels parallel across the entire front edge of the rotary. Once the rotary is aligned, use the up and down arrow keys to spin the rollers until the Y coordinate on the keypad is approximately in the middle of the total possible travel distance. The Y coordinate on the keypad should read the following: 350 millimeters for NOVA 10, 450 millimeters for NOVA 14, and 500 millimeters for NOVA 16. Gently push or pull the gantry until the red dot is over the highest point of the workpiece. Use the left and right arrow keys on the keypad to jog the laser head to the center. When focusing onto the workpiece, the machine bed will get close to the rotary port and plug and can potentially collide if the lens slider is not in the proper position to give clearance. Ensure your slider is at 10 millimeters or lower. Then press focus on the keypad and press Z down to lower it about 1 millimeter. Press Origin on the keypad to set the starting position. Press Frame to ensure the perimeter of the job is in agreement with the desired engraving location on the workpiece. Gently close the lid. Ensure your exhaust hose is properly connected, and press Start on the keypad. When the job is complete, push the gantry out of the way by hand. You can then remove the workpiece from the Smart Rotary. Carefully clean the piece once it's removed. We are using LA Awesome and a magic eraser. When you're done engraving, before turning off your machine, you must go back to flat settings. Following the steps outlined previously, flip the dip switch 6 on the XY driver back to the off position. Then place the side panel back on and secure with the cabinet key. Back in Lightburn, navigate to Edit and Machine Settings. Select Load from File. Locate USB, the Settings folder, and the Rotary Settings folder. Then select Flat Settings. Click Write. Controller settings written successfully will appear. Then click Read. Scroll down to ensure Enable Rotary is toggled to False. Hit OK. Then unplug the Smart Rotary from the rotary port. Remove the rotary from the machine bed as well as any other material that is there. Press Shift and Start on the machine keypad to reset, and allow the machine to fully reset. And you're all set. Thank you so much for watching.